everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Welcome to Vlogmas. So the setup's a little bit weird, I know. Like I'm trying, but I keep showing my tripod and then, okay, I got tripod issues, okay? I know I do. Someday I will get there, I promise. Okay, so today I went to one of our favorite restaurants and we had a nice dinner together. Yummy, yummy, midnight snack. Then I went to a local thrift store and got some goodies there. This is a thrift store with a little bit more expensive with some things. Now, even though some things are expensive, I did notice many things in there that were really name brands that you could resell to make a profit. So you could definitely turn like $20 into $200. There was some great boots, great shoes. Ooh, let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the thrift store and I have to do I'll just do some clips, I think, because the music was blaring in there. Well, oh my gosh. Look at this. What is this? What is it? Oh my goodness, that is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's so funny. $6.99. Oh, here's a deer. I think I'm gonna get this. Oh, look at that Santa. So cool. Santa. Oh, he's got a broken face. He's cute though. $5.99. Do you like this? I mean, not the bow. Like, I would take this off. Do you like that? $5?
Where are you gonna put it?
I think I'll get it. Can you put it in the cart for me?
Like this one?
Yeah, whatever works. Okay. I got some cute stuff in here. Cute brooches. Some of their prices are a little high, but if it's for yourself, especially, it's fine. Oh, they got Coach. That's cute. Oh, these are cute. Look at these, they're cute. Western Chief. I've never heard of that. These are nice. Those are Nakona boots. Let's see here. So these run about $200. Those are really good shoes. That's a really good name brand. I hate selling shoes. You ate. Oh, what is this? Look at this. Well, they got some cute stuff under it. Would you wear a Santa tie? I think I have one for you. What kind of tie are you gonna wear for that party? Oh, yes. Oh, how much are these? Okay. Yeah, we got it. We can't let those go. I can spray paint them if I don't want the brown, right? Brown. You like the brown? 4 deer so far. White teddy bears. Oh, he's hitting himself. Oh, I had this as a kid. It had a candle in it. Why did I just sniff that? Oh, it's a kitty cat. These are actually really cute. These look like they're brand new. Not that big. I need some new hair, totally. Oh, it's human hair? Oh shoot, it's the wrong color. It's totally butt. I actually need new lids, so I'm gonna get this just for the lid. Look at this cup. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, thunder bottles. I just bought one like this, and it was Hershey's. I think I paid the same price, and this was from Macy's. Oh, look at these cool things. Those are neat, aren't they? That's pretty cool. Oh, I'm so full. I'm like stuffed. Oh, they got all this little earrings. Oh, cute stuff. Aw. That's cute. Put them in there, yeah. That's cute. Okay, so I got these. I seen something like this at Hobby Lobby the other day. It was like $14. I didn't want to pay that much. This was $3.99 for all of this berry. And I'm going to put these in my planters outside. Look at this. Look at that. $6.99. I don't know. Is this a brand name? So this is Bubba brand. I don't know what that is, but look at this. This is pretty. I just like, I can even use that as a planter if I don't want to drink out of it. These I found there because I need to replace my lids to my blender bottles, and they come with a bottle. So for $3.99, what a great deal. This one even has like a little clasp. So I don't, oh, this is actually really nice. So you could put like your protein powder here. Ooh, I like that. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. I don't even think this is used. This is a nice, it's just like a blender bottle. Better Bodies. $3.99. $6.99. $3.99. It's even got the little thing inside. These are really nice if you have kids. And what I did when my kids were little is I would put some milk in here and some pudding mix and shake it up, and it makes pudding when you put it in the fridge. My kids love that. This was $10.99. I spent a little bit more than I usually do, but this is just something for our Christmas table. Look at this. And it came with a little candle. Isn't that pretty? Now this is Lennox Holiday. So I inherited all of my mother-in-law's Lennox Holiday. All her Christmas stuff. However, I did buy more than half of them, so I was glad to get that stuff back, or most of it. Not all of it, but most of it I did. But isn't that pretty? So this is going to match with it, and I'm going to put it on the table for Christmas, and that will match with the pieces that she had. So it's like a little special memory for the kids. Christmas time with Grandma. Okay, this is $4.99. Isn't that cute? It's got like little cup. Okay, I bought this for myself, and I don't usually like any crafty kind of stuff. I don't like crafty stuff at all, really, but I'm constantly like needing a cup holder, and I never seem to have them. This is just adorable. I have to say, their snowman. This I don't think was ever used. It looks like it was brand new out of a box. $4.99. I mean, you could probably like put this in a box or something for Christmas and nobody would ever know. And they gave me some bubble wrap. Woo! Okay, and then look at this. You'll never believe what's in here. Strawberry shortcake and the kitty. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, I just want to keep it for myself. Oh, I always wanted one. Oh, this is like a little wooden manger. That's cute. I'm going to resell that. The good thing about bags is you can definitely find a lot of stuff for really cheap and resell it. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, so these are like little Christmas things. I actually put these on presents a lot. These are kind of, they've been used. I'm going to just redonate these back. Is this apple blossom apple butter? I'm not sure, but she's got her little birdie thing with her. Oh my goodness. I don't think I can let this go. I bought it to resell. You can't keep it. Okay, what's this? Oh, that's a cute little bunny. And his legs move. I'm going to resell him. Oh, here's the boy. I don't remember the boy's name. He's in there with his doggy. Oh, I can't believe this. Cannot believe this. I seen this and I just gasped. That's really cute. So I spent $80 total. It came to $79 and change, and then I rounded the rest up to charity. Okay, now if you watched my Hobby Lobby video, you see me complaining about the price of deer. I found deer at the thrift store. I knew I probably would because they've got really nice. So I've got 2 of these. I begged for deer. Can you believe that? Dad, if you're listening, I begged for deer. I don't even know I begged. Maybe that's just expression. But here these are. They're really, really nice. They're really heavy. So $6.99 a piece. Can't go wrong. Really cool. Look at this. I'm going to put this in my lantern. This one is $9.99, but it's got a marble vase. And then I got this guy. This guy's kind of like a paper mache or something. $5.99. What? I found her. $2.99. Oh, how cute is she? This one is $3.99. So $2.99, $3.99. Sometimes I don't really understand their pricing. The boy was a little bit more. Maybe because he's taller. Maybe because he's got little boots on. But how cute is that? Oh, I just love it. I found the boy and the girl. I guess they had a lot of elves there at the thrift store, and most of them have sold out. So I was lucky and I was able to get a couple. Okay, now come on along. I'll show you what's sold today. It's only a couple items. Usually this time of year it gets a little bit slower for me. So, and it'll probably dwindle down to almost nothing when Christmas hits. So, and I'm kind of glad for that. I don't actually like to sell a lot during Christmas time, so. Okay, here's an Ann Taylor Loft small black, white striped batwing kimono. Linen blend shirt, size small. So this all in is at $13.98. I'm just going to give you all in numbers because that just makes it easy on me right now. And I'm just going to try to get these done tonight. It's getting late and I still have to edit this video. Thank you so much, Natalie. I hope you enjoyed. My daughter only wore it one time in a band concert. It's so pretty. I love it. It looks so cute on her. Okay, and here is a Liz Baker Essential size 24W blazer jacket, unlined green blazer jacket. This one sold all in at $24.60. I actually just listed this and it just sold already, so I always enjoy that when that happens. Thank you, Carol, for that one. And then we have a 1973 Pitt 400 Mint Del Webb Desert. Okay, so that one sold all in at $21.66. And this one I recently listed too. Like I just listed this one. So that's cool. I'm happy about that when that happens. Thank you so much, Joshua. I hope that you enjoy that. It's really cute. It's a great piece of memory. 1973. That's even older than me. Then we have these great pair of earrings. These are really cool. I even thought about keeping these. These are neat. They just look cool because they have a lot of movement and shine to them. Southwestern silver tone spike dangle chandelier earrings, fishhook backs. Thank you so much, Sherry. I hope you enjoyed. These are super awesome. I love these. These were kind of hard to list because I really did think about keeping these. They look just fun, especially when you wear them and they glisten in the light. It's pretty cool. So this one all in at $17.85. Here is a blue highways journey to America. And this is a nice hardcover book. It sold for $12.68 all in, and that is with shipping. Thank you so much, Scott. So this book came from my mother, who was nice enough to pick up some books for me to sell. So I really, really appreciate that. So this was actually free to me, and I'm happy to pass it along. Okay, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that little journey with me today. Have a good day. Bye.